My name is Susan and this is Skullhead, and today we are making personal wipes. I've had a few friends ask me about these and wanted to know the recipe that I use in order to save myself some money and have a product that I would be willing to use. So without further ado, let's get started. What you're going to need is a large bowl that you can mix all your ingredients in. You're also going to need some paper towels, preferably ones that are of a better quality. Now you can get paper towels that are a large sheet, but I have the paper towels that are like half a sheet and they fit perfectly into the container that I use normally. And you're going to need some containers that you can put your wipes in, either a glass container or here I'm reusing a container that I've had for quite some time now. You want to make sure that you have a container that seals well, because if you don't have a good seal, what's going to happen is that the liquid's going to evaporate and you're going to end up with dry wipes as opposed to moist ones. So I'm going to give you two examples of how you can make your wipes. So the first sample I'm going to show you is using the glass container and the roll of paper towels. So this roll is left over from a cleaning wipe that I made, and what you're going to want to do is take your paper towel and cut it with a straight knife, a knife that's very sharp, and this way you'll be able to cut it and then fit the roll into the glass container. So the next sample that I've got, I'm going to tear off the half sheets from the paper towels and I'm going to fold them into threes, and now I'm going to fold them in such a way that they're going to interconnect with each other. So when I pull them out, the next paper towel is going to be popping out of the opening of the container. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up this container with as many wipes as I can possibly fit in there. So let's go ahead and make our solution for our personal wipes. So let's start by adding 1 cup of either distilled water or cooled boiled water. You never want to use just water out of the tap or spring water because it contains too many bacteria and you don't want to have a mold grow in your container. Add 1 tablespoon of Castile soap. Add 2 tablespoons of almond oil. Add 1 tablespoon of an aloe vera gel. Add 1 tablespoon of witch hazel. Now this is where you can actually personalize your personal wipes with essential oils. And the reason I use the following oils is because they do have some beneficial properties to it. And I do have an explanation on my blog, which there's a link below that you can go and visit and actually pick up the recipe from there. Now give it a good stir with a whisk, because you want to break up the aloe vera gel that is at the bottom of the bowl, and make sure that everything is well incorporated. Now all you have to do is pour it into your jars. I've pretty much split it up between the two containers. Normally I only make the one, and if I have some left over of the solution, I just bottle it in a dark amber bottle and then just store it away for the next time. Also, you want to make sure that you saturate the sheets really well, so that the solution is throughout the container. Make sure you pull out the center part of the roll, as the cardboard is not needed. Now if you're using a plastic container like the one on the left, make sure you feed through the first sheet through the opening so that it's accessible the moment you want to use it. So that's it. That's all it takes to make personal wipes, and it's so easy, such an easy recipe, and you can make whatever scent you want, really. And if you enjoy these how-to videos, you might want to check out those ones there, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.